Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout and thank you for joining me today. My name is Paul and as always I take you through every workout on every Monday and every Thursday. There are over 600 videos on this channel including shorts, probably about 400 full workout videos. So let's get started today. Today we have core. There are two things you need for a visible core. Good nutrition and some dedicated ab work. Since this is not a cooking channel, I'm not going to talk about the nutrition part. We're just going to do core work today. So let's get started in about 1 second and I'll see you then. Alright guys, welcome back. Today we have a weighted core workout. Very simple guys, like I said, you have to overwork these muscles just like any other muscle. So we have only 3 exercises, we're only going to perform 3 sets of each and we're going to try to come close to our max within each set. So we have the weighted sit-up. We have the hand to foot with a dumbbell in one hand. And we get up and overs when the dumbbell is standing up on its side and we just bring our legs over the dumbbell for as long as much as we can. That's all there is to today's workout, not much else, so let's get started. Weighted sit-up. Grab your dumbbell. I'm using 15 pounds for, if you guys need a reference, it should be pretty difficult for me, so I'm looking forward to doing these. Remember, 3 sets of as many reps as we can. So have the weight up in front of you and you're just gonna sit up and keep that weight pointing towards the ceiling. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1. And try to control your ascent as well as your descent. Remember, we're doing it for 3 sets and about a 30-second or so rest interval. Nice and slow. So you shooting blindside, I aim straight for the frames, huh? I don't take no L's, my boy, I learned from y'all mistakes, huh? I just up my rate, I made my way, get out of my lane, bruh. Now we got some traction, everything been so surreal. I'm trying to get used to keeping check of how I feel. My ex is somewhat stressed, she dropped the ball, but that's so well. I just keep going, nice and controlled. I'm much more concerned with how my time about to be billed. Need a couple meal tickets in my pocket. Keep it up. Quick to flip a bill, jump out of profit. I'm a real hitter with them wheels spinning, never stopping. I'm a boss. I'm gonna try to go 5 more. Independent, we just beginning. Clearing anybody interfering. Keep it tucked off. Something plush, do the brush off. Free spirit, make a trust fall. Right? Look at my neck, bright. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that mood, cool. Got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah. And that's it. I want to take a little break. I'm so blessed, right? I actually do not have a clock running today, so I'm just gonna look at my watch, get a rough estimate. So that was exercise number 1, set number 1. Let's go get going to set number 2 in a few seconds. Same exercise, guys. Weighted sit-up, as many reps as you can. Remember, you gotta tire these muscles out just like anything else. If you're trying to grow your arms, your chest, your back, your butt, you have to all tire everything out. This is no different. All right, it's been about 30 seconds or so. Let's get going for set number 2. Weight up, sit back down, and let's go. Cause when you building what we build, you know we headed where the bread is. Got the squad up going with me. Subtle flex, I need that check, so a hype beast. Last year wasn't it, but now my life been moving light speed. I was down bad, but now we way up where them kites be. Flip that to a movie, I star in same time I'm Spike Lee. I know they tight, I turn. We're just going downhill quickly. It's okay to keep working. Look at my neck. I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe, off of that side. I'm in that new got been fired. I said what I said, right? Yeah, I get that check right. I'm so blessed, right? Off of that jet pipe. 5 more. That's how I feel like I got in me. 1, 2. Keep it up. 3. Stay with me. 4. And 5. And back down. Woo. All right, set number 2 is done. How you guys doing today? Once again, if you're new here, welcome to Fit After 50. Yes, we work hard here
and all our workouts are filmed pretty much in the basement. Shows you guys you can do these workouts pretty much anywhere because I do not have a lot of room in here. All right, 2 sets down, 1 set to go. I think we have about 10 seconds left or so. So let's get going. Weight up and lay back down, and let's go. Okay, keep going. Like I said, it's got difficult much quicker than I anticipated, which is good. It means we're working hard. Nice and slow. 5 more, ready? 1, 2, 2 left. 1 and 2, a nice slow descent, and that's it. All right, stand up a little bit. Whew. Making a little bit of a sweat. All right, that was exercise number 1, guys. We're moving on to exercise number 2. It's hand to foot. So you're gonna lay back down, grab a dumbbell if you can. This one might be a little bit heavy, 15 pounds. We're gonna do the best that we can because we are trying to challenge that core. We're gonna go hand to foot. So you're gonna lay down, opposite hand, opposite leg, gonna sit up and reach forward. That's the exercise. Let's get started. Let's not waste any time. Let me make sure that I fit in here. Like I said, small space, but if I can do it, you can do it. All right, dumbbell in hand. Looks like I fit there. And it looks like I more or less fit here. I might hit that kettlebell behind. All right, ready? In 3, 2, 1. I'm going right hand, right arm, left leg. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. And reach up and back down. I'm gonna bend this leg up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Three more before we switch sides. 1, 2, and 3. All right, switch sides. I have to readjust. Don't want to hit anything. Leg bend, leg straight. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Don't know why I'm counting. 7, 4. Come on. 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Woo. Set number 1 done. All right, checking the watch. Give ourselves about 30 seconds. That was a long working set because we're both working the sides individually, so it takes a little bit longer. All right, switch sides. Like I said, about 30 seconds. We have about 15 seconds left or so. Yeah, Dum forgot to bring his clock today. Well, his phone's laying over there. That's okay, got my watch. Close enough for government work. You guys ready to go? Arm back. We got room, and let's go. Whoa, wrong leg. All right, try again. 1. These are all one-take workouts, guys. My workout's your workout, so sometimes I do screw up. Keep going. Got 3 more. One more. And back down and switch sides. Make sure you got room, you don't damage the wall, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Control movements. Come on. 2. Let's do 3 more. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. And back down. All right. 2 sets down, 1 set to go. Nice little breather. Let me check the watch. All right, got a rough idea when we're starting again. In about 20 seconds right now. So relax, let that core rest. We got 1 more set to go of the arm to foot, leg to arm, whatever you want to call it, doesn't really make a difference as long as you're working hard. I'm working hard, and I hope you're working hard. Not wasting your time. Ready. Starting off with right. Going to the left. And 3, 2, 1. And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Counting again. Why do I always count the last set? Come on, keep going. I'm going to do 3 more because I'm starting to get really fatigued. 1, 2, squeeze up 1 more. Come on, guys. Work with me. And 3. Switch sides. Adjust a little bit. All right. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2. Here I go counting again. Come on. Up. Keep going. Be strong. Keep it up. Breathe. All right, how about 3 more? Let's go. Control movement. 1, 2, and 3, and we are done. Whew. Yes, I need to stand up a little bit, get off the floor. All right, and as I do, I'm gonna tell you what the 3rd exercise is and the final exercise. You can use the same dumbbell, you don't have to use anything. You're gonna place it down on the floor, and we're just gonna bring our legs back and forth over it. Try not to have your heels slam the ground. You can rest them for a split second, make light contact, and then bring them over to the other side. Simple as that. 3 sets once again. All right, let's not waste any more time. This video is already pretty long for a core workout. Stand this dumbbell up. If it stands, if you're using a lighter dumbbell, grab whatever you got, guys. It doesn't really matter, it doesn't have to be a dumbbell. We're just bringing the legs over. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, just a little light tap, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Bring him over. Twist and over. Oh yeah, this one gets hard quickly. Okay, let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. 30 seconds, we're going again. How you guys doing today? We're almost done. We have 2 sets left, and I'm calling this a pretty good core workout. And this one being a weighted core workout, we do not have to do 1,000 reps. Sometimes, you know what, those are fun to do too, but it's always nice to mix it up a little bit. You guys ready to go? You got about 10 seconds left. We're going for set number 2, up and overs. That's what I call these things. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2. Bring those legs up. Come on, don't be shy. That's okay. Let's go. Over. High over. Come on. 1, 2. Little tap and tap and over. Let's do 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ooh, take a 30-second breather. All right, guys, last set. We are almost done with this wonderful, wonderful, I hope it's wonderful core workout. Catch my breath. Like I said, this is a little bit of a longer workout than I anticipated, but you know what? It means we're going longer. It means our cores are getting stronger. And next time, maybe we'll have to increase the weight a little bit, right? So let's get going in 3, 2, 1. Last set, and let's go. 1. There I am counting again. Over and over. Keep going. Up, over, up. Come on. Over, over. Yeah, it's tiring. Yeah, we're gonna keep going. All right, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and that's it, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. One more time, my name is Paul. I take you through new workouts every Monday and every Thursday, and I post a short pretty much every day. So if you enjoyed this core workout today, guys, if you're tired of the core workout and just kick off your dumbbell, thanks for joining me today. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what other workouts you want to see. I appreciate your participation, and I will see you guys during the next workout.